thing has gas in the bottom?
No, I have it right here in front of me.
Oh.
I'm not running the gas tank. Yep. Let's get a little more timing, a little more idle in it, maybe a little. I think it has gas. I don't know if it's pumping fuel or not, Oscar. It might have just been running on what I had in it, you know what I mean? It's trying to suck it up now. There we go. I wonder if it'll start on its own. Oh, it's spraying now.